A summer science camp that keeps the focus on fun. Brian Loftus shows us what's cool at school.
Aspiring engineers escaping the heat and beating the summer brain drain at a local learning facility called Engineering for Kids.
When I come here, I feel excited because I'm not melting. And I'm also excited because I get to build fun robots over there.
This is project-based STEM learning, but it's summer. The emphasis is on kids having a good time.
I want them to see STEM. It's fun. The science and math. It's not a monster that sometimes people think about it. And for them to see real-life application of math, like on the robots.
I love it here. I mean, it's good for engineering, programming, doing robots, playing games.
Robotics, video game design, coding, 3D printing, Minecraft moding, app development, and on the day we visited, a competitive soccer game with robots.
3, 2, 1, go!
The kids built these robots. They use a smart radio to transmit what they want their robot Ronaldo or Beckham to do. Some want to win, others more pragmatic.
Making a robot and not crashing it.
As thrilled as he is, it's not about the result, but rather the steps students go through to find the answer.
When you fail, that's okay. Go through the engineering design process, make improvements, rebuild, and develop the critical thinking.
Did it work better with this or without?
You learn from your mistakes and you can figure out, oh, this didn't work last time, maybe I should change this part and see if this works.
So right now it's just build, improve.
Math makes all the difference on the coding and the building. Trial and error never stops.
One of our issues, though, is that our catch for the ball was way too big, and so they made it a lot smaller and it worked a lot better.
Students also work with large drones that can quickly be transformed between hovercraft and aviation mode using a custom controller to navigate programmed flight contests.
What I'm about to do is make a hovercraft and make it just fly around, well, like hover. And it just goes around an obstacle course.
Each week, it's a new camp for kids 4 through 14, and I found reasons range a bit for what drives that great desire to learn, including this student looking for some cooperation from the robot he built.
Coding a robot, making move and do maybe.
The kid wasn't too interested. Mom put him in. He wasn't too crazy about it. And halfway through it, just see it click. From I don't want to do this to I can't get enough. And being able to enjoy engineering. So moments like that make everything worth it.
And that's what's cool at school. Brian Loftus.